Whether you're a florist, a card and gift shop, or a grocery chain, you know that balloons can be a great source of income, and finding ways to be more efficient while inflating balloons will only help your profits grow. That's why using automatic balloon sizers like Conwin's Duplicator 2 is important to achieving professional results when inflating balloon bouquets. Powered by helium or nitrogen from a cylinder or air from an air compressor, the Duplicator 2 automatically inflates one latex balloon to the exact same size every time. The foil outlet inflates any size foil and will automatically stop when the balloon is fully inflated. These two functions make the Duplicator 2 the ultimate countertop inflator for any retail establishment offering balloons. By not having to manually size balloons or use templates, you and your staff will be able to create bouquets faster and more efficiently. Properly sized balloons ensure you're not wasting money in overinflated or popped balloons, and they stay up for their maximum float time, increasing customer satisfaction. With a variety of available add-on accessories, you'll be able to easily stuff balloons, save on your helium costs, inflate a variety of specialty balloons, and much more. Why choose Conwin? Well, with the fact that all of our inflators are proudly made in America, the factory warranty on all our products, and over 50 years of innovation, why choose anything else? For Conwin Balloon Equipment, this is Stephen Mayhew, saying stay true to the blue, and we'll see you at setup.